Alright, just got out here to Cottonwood Cove. Never fished here before, at least not in my kayak. Looks like we could definitely get some weather. So we'll see how we do. First cast of the morning. Oh, is that a biter? Yep.
Nice.
All right. Oh. Oh, you peeling some drag, are you? Oh. Oh my goodness.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Yeah, holy shit. Whoa. Huh. Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh.
Damn, dude.
Look at that dude. Wow. That is a chunky fish, dude.
What a way to start a day.
Yeah, right? All right. Thanks for the fight, buddy. Yeah. Kick up some water. Look at this weather. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. Light sprinkle. Water is crystal clear. Water temp 60, almost 66 degrees. Got one. Oh, another nice one. Oh, yeah. What's going on here? Nice smallie. Right. Right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that, dude. Another nice little chunker. Okay, buddy. There you go. Yep. Another good one. Oh, yeah. Damn, I wish I had a tape measure or a scale.
Awesome, dude.
Wow. Right. Yeah, these have more like a, well, I guess this is a smallmouth, huh? Yeah, it's definitely a smallmouth. Slightly different. All right. It's a little windy out here. Got some small whitecaps happening. Just had a little rain cloud come through the area, drying off from that. Gotten 3 to the boat. They've all been good size, so I'm pretty happy with the day so far. 10:30, water temp 66. Okay, see if we can hook another one. Oh, I bet that's a striper. Yep, striper. Right. Striper. He pulled pretty good. Right.
Got the hat trick today.
Yeah, right. All right. Got another one. Yep. Here we go. Another little striper. Double. The other rod's on. Wow. Oh, I had him snagged. You know what? I'm not gonna put you in the net, dude. Nice fish. Stripers pull. And we're still fishing. Oh, looks like we are not going to get out of this one. We are going to get freaking soaked. Now that's some rain. Holy cow. Oh. Keep going. today was a really good day. Never fished Cottonwood before, and had some pretty good fishing. Caught smallmouth, largemouth, striper, few stripers. It was really good. I think I landed, I don't know, 8, maybe 10 fish, something like that. Fished for about 4.5 hours, I think. It was clear in the morning, a little breezy, and then if you look out, it's pouring rain, and it poured on us there at the very end. It was a fun day. Till next time, we'll see you on the water.